Is it possible to get silky straight natural hair? I'm never straightening my hair again because all it do, I give me heat damage and stress me out. I make me stand up in front of the mirror for like 5-6 hours. I've seen a lot of straight hair tutorials on YouTube and their hair is literally silk when them done straighten it. I don't have 4C hair, but I have type 4 hair, and the reason why I say I don't have 4C hair is because I know that 4C hair is more tightly coiled, so I'm assuming that it would be harder to straighten. So yeah, I have like 4B, 4A type of hair. So I try to straighten my hair like twice, and it revert before I actually leave the room. It revert before I reach the other side to straighten it, and I don't understand why. Even 4C people can straighten their hair and it looks silky and soft and flowy and bouncy. And when me straighten my hair, it come like cotton and it just dead there. And I'm like, I spend 3 hours doing this for what? I'm assuming that probably the reason why my hair doesn't come out straight is because of where I live. Now, I live in Jamaica, the tropics, and our climate is basically always hot and humid. Well, my hair, I guess it just constantly attracts moisture from the atmosphere. My hair is constantly attracting moisture from the atmosphere. I feel like that's one of the reasons why my hair just can't stay straight. And next thing is that it probably could be the products that I use. I only use a serum, a heat protectant, and my hair lasted like 2 minutes. After I completed straightening my entire head, my hair only lasts like literally 2 minutes. I'm not trying to be funny, or I'm not exaggerating. But I stand up in front of the mirror and I'm looking at it and flashing it and everything. Or by the time I probably clean up everything with I do, which takes 2 minutes, and look back in the mirror, it reverts. I uploaded a video, I'll link it here. So yeah, the first thing is the climate, the next thing is the products that I use, and the third thing is that probably it's just my hair. Probably I have a hair type that can't get silky straight. When I had relaxed hair, honestly the relaxer never get my hair straight, and I relaxed my hair for like 11, 12, 1 to what? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. How much this? I relaxed my hair for like 9 or 10 years, and my hair never yet get bone straight. If I wanted my hair to be bone straight, I'd have to flat iron it, but otherwise my hair would be poofy after I relax it. So maybe it's just my hair type, come to think of it. But my tips for straightening your hair: be mindful of the products that you use. You probably want to stay away from glycerin, because that draws a lot of moisture from the air. Ensure that the air is cool and that the room that you're in is not really warm. If your hair not come out straight, just probably straight hair is just not for you. So I've accepted that straight hair isn't for me. If I move from Jamaica, then I'll probably try to straighten my hair again. But for now, I'm never straightening my hair again, because all it do, I give me heat damage and stress me out. I make me stand up in front of the mirror for like 5-6 hours. Take me like 30 minutes to 1 hour to fully blow dry my head, and it take another 30 minutes, another 3 hours to finish flat ironing it, and when we're done, my hair just go back to poof. I was just so upset, so I delete all of the pictures them and say, okay then, this not look good for showing nobody, this not look good for posting away, so I might as well delete it. So I don't have any pictures of my hair, but you can watch the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!